Okay, I don't have the engine cover on this car. You may have one that just pops off, but I am going to have to remove this little sort of plastic tray here. It's that headlight that's went out on this car UK, so it's passenger side. If I come down in here, you can see this is in the way. If you go underneath there, you can see there with the green tab on it, that's the bulb I need to get to, so it is hidden down in there. So looks to me like this tray is held on by clips. There's one missing there on mine, and it goes all the way along. There's a few missing on mine actually, I'll replace them. So I need to get that plastic panel off so I can get access to the back of the headlight. So I'm going to use this little pry tool. I think I got this on Temu initially. It's been absolutely brilliant, and sometimes I use a small flathead screwdriver just to get the clip started. And well, there we go, that one just popped up. Didn't need to do anything with it at all. So that's essentially come off. Just one more up here on this car. This one has a grip, so start it with a screwdriver and then lift it out. Okay. That'll give me access to the rear of the headlight now. So if I bring you over, shoot you down in, I'm gonna have to, it's hard to get my hand in there without covering the view. I'm gonna have to remove that electrical connection from this section. So there's a clip here, I'll press in, push down, and then I should be able to get that headlight out. So I want to separate this plug from the actual bulb itself. For context, this is how the bulb looks when it's not attached to the plug. Let's see. Let's pick this up earlier in Halfords. So you'll see what I mean now. That would be the green tab on the other one. Press down, and there is the little clip where that plug I showed you there grabs onto the bulb. So there's a closer view, you can see the clip I'm talking about. So I'll need to reach down in there. The problem is when I reach down in there, my hand's obstructing the view because it's not roomy. It's quite tight down in there. So I'm going to try to reach down in and undo that plug. You might be able to see here from this view, possibly, if I can get focused. Just looking down in, yeah. You can actually see the clip there. If I press it, it lifts, and then I can slide it down. So that's it unplugged from the back of the bulb. Apologies there if that was quite difficult to see, but the view was down through that little gap there. You probably could take the battery out or something to make more room, but you don't really need to. A lot of hassle for nothing when you can't just reach down in and do it. Okay, now I'm going to get down into the bulb. Get a grip of it. Turn it anti-clockwise. Okay, that's it out. So that's the prongs. I turned that, so it was in this fashion. I turned it anti-clockwise and I was able to pull it out that way. And there's where it came from. So we'll come back over to the table and compare the two. You can see that they are the same. So now it's just going to be the reverse to put the new one into the car. So I'm trying to get a good look down there to see where the rotation of it is required. I'm going to aim to put it in like that, or sort of like that, and then turn it down towards that plug, which should lock it. So that's the plan. It's going to be fiddly. I'm actually trying to look through the camera while I'm doing this, which is making it a lot harder probably than it would normally be. Okay, so that's it, in and turned down. Yeah, it's solid, it's not moving anywhere now. And now all I have to do is grab that electrical connector and pull it up onto the bulb, up onto the plug of the bulb. You're not gonna be able to see this, I'm afraid, but you get the idea. I'll just pull it up, plug it in, and that's it, done. Got it on. There we go. That is it. Clicked into place. Now just a test to see if it works. Okay. How did we get on? Great. Everything is now working. So all I have to do is put that plastic tray there back on. I'll replace some of the clips in the process. We're good to go. Put the plastic tray back on, clip down, and replaced some of the clips with new ones. So that's us all done, all working. Thanks very much for watching.